It's on. Bunny set into motion. They're about to break. All set. Racing, Bold Opal was quickly into stride. Beginning well was Seeker Stride, a break of two, then to Schizo Gidget into the back. Next was Biggie Paws. He's nice and handy tonight. Behind those was Midnight Shuffle from Javanti. GI Rumble In sees them all. To the top corner, Bold Opal is the one to catch. Put 4 on Seeker Stride. Behind those, Biggie Paws, Schizo Gidget. Next, Javanti, GI, Midnight Shuffle into the straight. This is still well clear. Is Bold Opal into the clear. Charging home late, Biggie Paws, but too late. Bold Opal beats Biggie Paws. Tight for third between the wide Seeker Stride and on the fence Javanti GI. Behind those Schizo Gidget, Midnight Shuffle and Rumble In the tail ender. Bold Opal has led from start to finish here at $2.70 and $2 even. Has defeated number 3 Biggie Paws at $1.60. And we've got another tight go here for the minor end of the prize. Had a dead heat earlier for second and third. We may find a margin here, but we'll wait for that number. There it is. Number 2's grabbed third. Seeker Stride, wide out on the track. It's grabbed third narrowly from number 6, Javanti GI on the fence. So 1, 3, 2 and 6 are the numbers on the fourth event. 2 lengths the winning margin. 2 lengths with 3.5 lengths between second and third. 12.51 was the early section. 12.51. 27.83 is the overall time, with that run home time being 15.32. The winner, Bold Opal. That's just start number 2 for Bold Opal. A black bitch by Beckham Bale from Little Miss Hap is owned by the High Five Syndicate, manager M. Thompson, trained by Darren Skills of Glenugie. Second to 3, Biggie Paws for Darryl Chapman of Whiteman Creek. Third to 2, Seeker Stride for Anthony Bunny of Teresa Creek. Officially fourth going to number 6, Javanti GI. 1, 3, 2 and 6, 2 by 3.5. 27.83 is the time.